Welcome to Rocks Today. My name is Snotty Snodgrass, and today we will be talking about rocks. To be specific, we will be talking about metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed by lava and
Cut! Who do you think is ever going to watch a show with you draining on about metamorphic rocks when you're not even talking about the right kind? You're talking about igneous.
I'm very sorry, ma'am.
We need to find a way that lets kids know that learning about metamorphic rocks is really fun.
Well, what could we do?
I have an idea.
We're gonna tell you it and knock off your socks.
It's not too long and it's not too short.
It's really funny, so please don't snort.
Meta means change.
And morphic means form. Put it all together, metamorphic. Two types of Two types.
Foliage one
has bands and stripes.
Slate and gneiss are some examples.
Now here we have some awesome samples.
Slate comes from shale
and gneiss from granite. Meta means change and morphic means form.
Put it all together,
metamorphic.
Now one type left.
One type. Non-foliated.
Has no bands or stripes.
Quartzite and marble have no stripes.
Those are just a couple types.
Limestone makes marble.
Sandstone, quartzite.
Meta means change and morphic means form. Put it all together, metamorphic. These rocks are formed from heat and pressure.
We learned that from our professor.
Meta means change and morphic means form.
Put it all together,
metamorphic. Meta means change and morphic means form. Put it all together, metamorphic. Meta means change and morphic means form. Put it all together, metamorphic.